You cannot destroy shoes. See the shoe? Shoes cost money, okay? You cannot mess with shoes. You've been destroying so many shoes. What do you have to say for yourself? What do you say for yourself? What do you say for yourself? Another pair gone. Another one.
Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? No, I don't be owl. Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? I'm a pig. How are you today? Hello, how are you?
So, this is a story of my 5 little puppies. So, hindi ko alam na buntis pala yung aso ko. And, ang maganda dito, nanganak siya December 25, 2019. And Christmas pa to. Can you imagine ang ganda ng blessing para sa amin? So, nilagay ko yung puppies ko sa kwarto ko at sa maliit na box. At napansin ko tong little guy na to, hindi siya nag-respond at nakain. So, dinala namin siya sa vet ng 3 AM na madaling araw. And unfortunately, holiday pala ngayon and 7 PM pala sila nagsasarado. Kaya namatay na yung aso ko. At namatay na din yung isa ko pang dog kinabukasan. Bale, lalaki at babae yung namatay sa akin. Bale, 3 na lang natira para I love you. Ang sweet nila, diba? So, ito si Ginger, ito si Sugar, at si Gizmo. So, abangan nyo yung part 2 para sa paglain nila.
These pups are picking their collars today. Nala's choosing first. Blue. Sarabi's next. Pink. Next is Mufasa. Blue. Now it's Simba's turn. Purple. Time for Pumbaa to choose. Green. Timon's turn. Oh, yellow! Time for Scar. Yellow.
Yeah, I don't wanna.
What do you do that for? We're supposed to do that when we find what we've been tracking.
Welcome to the life of an adult child. You wake up, it's time for coffee. Take a shower, it's time for coffee. Go to work, it's time for coffee. Get fired, it's time for coffee. And by 5 o'clock, it should be time for coffee.
What are you wearing, Jake from State Farm?
you bark now?
Because I said I like sour beer, so he just gave me a pack of sour beer. Julia, yums aren't contagious for dogs.
They are. And you missed it.